Hi, this is Paramasivam. In this video, I will explain what are the things you can learn from the Elasticsearch service online documentations. Okay, actually, as per my experience, okay, Elasticstacks is giving very good documentations for their products. Okay, it's really good, very neat and very organized. Okay, and they keep on update. Okay, so this is the at the high levels. Okay, I am going to say, I am not going to describe each and everything separately. Okay, as a introductions, I will explain what all you can learn. Okay, as for the Elasticsearch service. Okay, that is what I am going to talk here. Before that, if you are looking for any other document to learn more about Elasticsearch service, obviously I could not find any PDF or any other documents. Okay, but though you might get some of the articles, but this is the best. This is the best documentation. It's fair enough. I would say it is really fair enough. Okay. Okay. So before jumping into that, so these are the high level categories of documentations. Okay, so this does not talks about how query, how to create a visualization, kibana. Okay, it is not part of the Elasticsearch service, right? That is SaaS. It is not part of the SaaS, right? So how to subscribe how to subscribe and how to become a paid customer. Okay, and how to get alert when something happening in the your Elasticsearch cluster. Okay, how many nodes are there, what is the memory size. So these are the things you will learn about the Elasticsearch service documentation. So nothing related to any specific product. Could be a file beat, or could be Elasticsearch, or could be kibana or APM server, nothing. Okay, so you will not learn any specific product, only the high level how we can run this Elasticsearch cluster and what are the terminology has been used here. Okay, and how you can monitor them. So that is what these are the things has been explained in Elasticsearch service documentations. Okay, so of course, one tips what I can say now. So I have used super simple highlights, right? So we call it a super simple highlighter. It's an extensions. Okay, I installed this plugin in the Chrome browser so that we can define whatever we want. So different highlights. Okay, let me open here. So these are the things I have defined. So you can define whatever you want in the class create new style, and for first 10 you can assign the keyboard shortcut. For remaining 10 though you have assigned, it will not work. So different colors for different purpose. Again you can take backup and import anywhere. So I do backup very often to my G drives. Okay, so if I switch to my machine from one machine to another machine, so I will just import, so that I will have all of my highlights or something. Since we are going to read only on the web page, not PDF documents, if you want to do any annotations, okay, okay, I think you can see here some of my annotations. Okay, let it load. Yeah, here. See here you can see some of my annotations on web pages. So these are some of the annotations which I did using that extensions. So if you are really interested to do such a annotation on the web page, you can use this. You can install this plugin and configure accordingly your things. Similarly, if you want to do portability from one machine to another machines, you can export very often. I will do export once in a week. So whenever you need, you can do that. Okay, yes, that is out of topic. Now I will jump into that Elasticsearch documentations. Okay, as I said, at the high levels, here you will see that on the topic it says, right, how to create signups. So obviously sign up we can do using our Gmail ID or Outlook email ID, or separate if you have some corporate email ID, using that mail ID also you can sign up. So once you sign up, you will get confirmation links. From that confirmation links, on click of the confirmation links, your account will be activated. So if it is trial account, that will be available only for 14 days. In the trial periods, you can run only one deployment. That means only one cluster can run. Okay. So if you want to set as a private, of course you can do in your own on-premises cluster, metal server, something like that. Okay. So here you will create deployments. Deployment means what? So deployment means just a collection of or combination of, okay, combination of your Elasticsearch server node, kibana node instances, any APM instances, all these things together called as a deployment. So you can sometimes you can refer this deployment as a cluster as well. Okay. So but cluster means it will be, most of the times cluster means it will be the Elasticsearch, but deployment means it can include all the stuff. Other not only Elasticsearch, it will include the kibana and APM server, any fleet server, all the stuff also. So and so we it is a logical unit. So we are going to manipulate, we are going to configure, we are going to delete, okay, whatever the things we are going to do, any configuration changes, it will pertain to the particular deployment. That is a logical unit. Okay. Of course, from your excuse me, pause video.